Take a ride in the 2017 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control system, wheel covers, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power steering, reclining seats, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel, beverage holders. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.